maloi lau mali e aho e ki moe lele e Tonga kotoa fia ke utaritani lele ki mo tonu ki ho mo ngahi o ngo mo le tio kai uma a television e Tonga ki he hoani. I he wakaikoia ke ngahi olo i o ngongo. A ahi whapule anga a ena a whiwhio ki siaina i he wikene me amanaki ke whewholofolai ne a whio mo i Palestini o siaina. Tu whaki atu he whiawhine pensini ki ngai pau samu e whakaamu ai ho kautahalolo ke toi whainga mali e ange whima o pensini ai kakai o e whanua. Pea toi wawiange ngā ue e ngai kōpu whikau aki ki hono toka ngai kina e tāmu e whakamamahi i hono whakababau i e malu ai ni ihi mamahi hili hono whotu ue laini telefoni taito toni e whamau anga ki ha kore tokoni whawawe wawe. O kutoiepe me ngahi tala noa kehe ana iange pehe ai tau wakai ki e ngahi o ngongo me malae o e sipoti kai o maa e to unga ko ia o i ea. Ko e wakailewa e ni ki he whakai ki iki, ko au liliani polo tele. O kulorotonga ha e lea e ena a whiwhio ki tupo wono mo kuini na naspau o asiaina i e wikeni i ha a ahi whapule anga maka tuunga me ha whakawhene tuko mai me he Palestini o siaina Xi Jinping, ko e whakahiki ki o tala noa ko ia ki e hawani mo senorita tui vai.
I he ngahi whamatalawa ofisiale ko toko mai me potongai ki mori a siaina, ko e tau mua a ahi whapule anga ko e ni. E whiwholowholai e tamatu i ki tupo wono mai Palestini o siaina Xi Jinping, e ngahi mawhinga e aki whawhitu o mo whawapule anga i he ongo whanua. E kau ki hene mo ena whiwholowholai ki he ngahi ngawe whalakalaka ai ongo whanua. Lo tonga ni whamatanga ko tuku mai me office wa ampastoa sene ki tonga ni, na e talitali whapule anga e he kolomu ai wahenga Fujian a ena a whiwhio i he wha o singa o e wiki. Koe make he anga a whio tone tamatu i he wahenga ko e ni, nā ne mā i mua tō ai e kau o whakahuafa koe kau ngā mea lelei, koe whakahāia e kei mālohi ai wāwhinga o aki a tonga mō siai nā. Lo tonga ni nei ha e leha ne a whiwhio ai sentai ma o ngaivi maa mo malawa ke whafo o i Nanjē. Nei kamata anki ai aho, ai houa tau mawhaho ata, o tai tale skelitari o komiti wahenga Nanjē ko Shang Ying-jing ai ha e le. Nei hilia na ana awhia tonu ai pē ki he tahinga he polokalama ngau mahu inga o kutatanki e siaina, ai aku ngau aki, pe ko no ngāhia mo o ngaivi malawa ke whafo o, pe malawa ke whaiha a whio tonu ki he tahinga he veteki anga ki he pole, hono ngau aki ai ma o ngaivi malawa ke whafo o. Nei Moimoi wholawa te ha ele ai minista mo ui whatai mi toke tā ana akau ola. E toka ha ele a ena a whiwhio ke kolomua o siaina ki Beijing a pongi, pe e toka whamahino ai ha aho e whawholawholai ai e tamatu i king tupo wono mo i Palestini o siaina Xi Jinping. O kumahino koe tuoa aki eni ai a ahi whapule anga tamatu i king tupo wono ki siaina ai a koe ta ua noa taha walo mo e ta uni.
Kua ngā une ngō kau taha lolo a tonga ni, ko e Pacific Energy mo e Total Energy i he ahoni o whakahifo i nā uta lolo ne o mai i he wakalolo enthias ai Total Energy. Ko e malawa eni o whakahifo ai lolo hi lia e malawa ke no e wakalolo ki hono tau anga i he pongpongi e ahoni. Mātunga eni mi he kovi ko e tahi talu ai tu uta mai e wakalolo ko ni i he whalai te wike ko o si. I he whakamatala ai tale kita o i waa consumer ai poto ngā oe we whakatau aki mo langa whakarakalaka whakaekonomi Sandra di whiwhita na ane pehe o ku whakafuafua ke laka i he lita e taha miliona e pensini o kuuta mai i e wakalolo ko eni ai kautaha Total Energy mo e nau tui tene malawa ke whea o e whie mao a Tongatapu ni. Pea toi malawa peke tuwha to halolo ki he otomotu ko ia i toke lau.
Ko tu ko ni ane ko lau ko lolo ko ni ko lolo lahi e ni ona a pensini ko na to mai ko fa amu pe ko na te ai mo utai na te o mai pe Pacific Energy he baka uta pe ni ko o te tau mai pe weekend ko ai sa te na ia e ono o te tau mai pe mo ia he weekend ko utai a Pacific Energy o mai ko tu ko ke baka hoko ko ne mahin ko o fa muy ko na ma ko baka ai Pacific Energy na e ton ke schedule ke tau mai a nima e ko baka hoko le ko baka ai PE ai totolo o ton ke to ki tau mai a hovalu ai ko sio kon he tunga kon ni tai ni ku lava pe lolo kon nai tuku mai kon ni pensini kon nai tuku mai kon ni ke ni fa tiawe ngai fi ma ko fa amua ni lava fi ma iPhone wa hi hoko ko ni ka hi to ka wai mo vaka ko ma ke ko no uta ma ke ai pi o te o mai te weekend ko mai ai se te na me no sila ke hoko tu ai fiawe ngai fi ma ai ka kai phone wa hi weekend mo tai tai ki vaka hoko mai ha ne tau mai hane ko ni ko to kala ma ko na o mai ko a ni mai pi pa ko vaka to lo he a valu
Ko e wakauta lolo entes ai total energy o kia i pe mo uta lolo i Pacific Energy pe au kuto ia i ongo kautahani pe heki he poto ngā we e malama ke toki whainga mahali e hana tu whaki ato e lolo ki e ngahi pausa ai e whiawhi.
Ko tu ko ni ai wakalolo o kune o mai whatolo ai uta lolo ai ongo kautaha whatolo pe a ko mahi no pe ko ne mau ko whahoko mai ko ni he totolo ko ne mau mai pe nau lolo ko te nau tuku a tu lewa pa pe he pe mo pi pa ko me pe ke me pe kakai ko ngau foko ni ku tai ni pa pe ke utu e nau tanke mo sio ke nau ngai ngau pe ko a fe tu taki ko e lava pe mahalo ke toki tu whātia ho ata e fiafi o tuku ke ngai tuku a lolo ka whataha pe a totolo pe he foko mo pi ka ai pe ke me ai he tonga ko toa ko ni ko mahino ko tu mau ma ko lava e tau a ka tau mai ke no ta whaaki ko whaia utu lewa ke no tu whake ai lolo ke o tuku anga lolo kai toki ngāwe ke ono ave ke uloli kai toki tu whātu ke ngai pausa whataha ai tau pausa ai tau tolo pe mo Pacific Energy ko nau whaamu ke lava tukuan katoa pehe whiawhini ke maue lolo ai kakai.
E toki whawhalau atu e lolo ke tōku i motu i he whewhalau aki wakatahi. I e mahino o ku kei mau ai wakalolo ai Pacific Energy a e na anga maheni ke tu whaki atua i e lolo me i Tongatapu ni ki toke lau. Lolo tonga ni mahino pe ngahi we sia ang ku hoko mihi no koe ai pensini mo e whakamama whai ei pe me poto ngāwe maho inga ke ngawe aki whakapoto e pensini kai o walewa ko whainga mālie hona tu whaki ato e pensini i he ahoni ki e ngahi pausa takitaha. Kua au sia ai ngahi kōpu whekau aki mo whelalawe i ki hono tonga ai ki nei tā mui whamamahi i api, ha makamai le maho inga ki he e nau ngāwe o ku whai ki hono whapapau i ai hao mo e malo e mo ui e kakai o ku e sia mi he tā mo e whakamamahi. Ko e hili eni hono whakailonga i e whalaite ko o si hono whotuu o e whika telefoni ta e totongi ai whakamau anga, ki he taimi whengai aki mo ngahi senta whekau aki kuni ki ha whema o whawawe ai toko taha mamahi. Tau te whito e ni ki ha kole ki ha tokoni pe tūtu o ni whakawhakamau anga ke malui aki ai toko taha mamahi. Ko e whakaiki ki mo Petit Lake ilolahia.
Ko e whika telefoni tai totongi ko whakailonga i o ku tuku a tāpeia ke whetu utaki atu ki ai ngahi ko whekau aki, hange ko senta tokangai kina e tāmu whakamamahi i api pe WCCC, senta whakawhanua ma ai kakai whiwhine molonga i whānau pe TNCWC mai ngahi ko whekau aki ke he pē. I e whakamatala ai tu i whakamaolahi Malcolm Bishop KC na ane pehe, ko e ngā unumahu inga eni, ko e uhi ka kawe ngā mawhatuki-tuki eni o kwhaua e he kakai toko lahi i tongani pia tu lawe angofua ki ai a kakai whiwhine molonga i whānau. Nāne whakahahen ai tuku pā ai whakamau anga ke tali ui ke ngahi kole tokon kotoa pē ai kakai oi whanua, tau te whito ke ngahi kole tokon whakawawe, ko e uhi, ko e mahu inga ai malo mo hao ai mo ui ai toko taha kotoa, tau te whito ke kau mamahi. I ene pehena e malawa ai peheni o tuwhātu ai tokoni telefoni mo kompiuta to pe laptop, ma ai ni ihi e kau ngāwe i he whakamau anga, o ngau ngau e whakapatonu ki ka wingani, ko e uhi ke whakawhainga mālie, ko e uhi ke whakawhainga mālie e nau ngau e okwhai, ki ono tuku atu hatu utu uni whakamau anga, ka whaiwhaiange ko kole tokoni whakawawe mo whakatu upake atu, e ngahi senta pe ku whekau aki e tā mo whakamamahi, mo no tukangai kina ka kai whewhine mo longa i whānau. Ko e whakaamu, Whakawhetutaki tua taimea tu hakole tokoni kia tutu uni whakamau anga ke malu I hamamahi me hono tāmo whakamamahi I api pe protection order e kei malawa pe e he kaungawe ai whakamau anga o whaile vai tokoni me api I taimi pe ko ia. I whakamatala e tale kita o senta tokoni whakalau ki ono malui o whamili I unisi moala, kua nau whakatoka ngai ai holo ai ngā hilipoti o whakamamahi ne ongo oke lahi pe e ne hoko. Nane pehe ko I ai pe ai ni ihi ko malawa o whakahauwhi ki nau tolu me he whakamamahi ko uhi ko e nau lipoti. Ka I hono whuatuu o laine telefoni koe ni e toi whainga fuange e nau whingai aki me whakamau anga ki ono malu I e toko taha mamahi. Pehe e moala, koe konga pe e ni e nau whinga ke whakaivia ai to tonu e toko taha kotoa pe, tau te whito ke kau mamahi, ke nau nofo I ha atakai o ku malu mo uilelei, pe ke oa te nau tailili ki ha whahinga tō onga, pe hataha e tūlawianga fuai e nau mo ui. Ne whakamalo ia heni e tokon komisana polisi, David Tawailea, ai ngai whingai akatau pe o kwhai ki hono malu I mo ui e kakai he tūkui kolo, I he mahino koe kawe ngani o toi tokoni ai put ngāwe polisi. Koe polokalama ngāwe ki hono whakatu e laine telefoni ta e totongini o whakapaanga he pule anga Australia I he whingai aki me whakamau anga mai ngā he kupu whikau aki. Kai ke koe ngā unu koe ni koe tahaia I ngā he polokalama o kwhai ke whakailonga ai wike lawa noa wani mā I he wikeni, ai ane kamata I he tokonaki kua o si.
Nā e tai māli he kautahau ta koloa ki tua pule anga koe loto poha export trading. I ha polokalama takoni kautaha whakaivia e ngō wei Pasifiki ki he pe ilo eni koe Farmer Plus ki hono whakalilei o e whale ngāwe ki hono teuteu I o koloa mea takoni o taki muli. Nai whakailonga I eni wike ko o si koe kakato I hono langa o e whale ngāwe I kolonga ke tokoni ki he whaiwhatongia e kautahau ta koloa ki muli koe loto poha. Ko e whingai aki e kautahani mo Farmer Plus o ko whakamua pea whakatau mua ia ke toe leleia ngi to o ngā uki ai hono uta to e koloa mea toko ni mei to ngā niki muli o tau te whito e niki au si telelia mono usila. I e ngāwe kua lawa e wawe pea māma a ngai ai ngāwe to e maa ki hono teuteu I ko ia e koloa mea toko ni hangi ko I ngowe foha ki mo aia pea toki whai a hono uta toki au si telelia pena usila. I e toe whakalakalaka nge ai whare ngāwe o ki ai tui, e toe lelei nge ai to onga o I koloa mea tokoni o kua tātou mi to ngani, pea e kau lelei eni ki he toe whalala anga nge ai ngāwe a to ngani ki mo a pea o tātou e koloa mea tokoni ki to a pule anga. Koe whale ngāwe whooni, koe kautaha, ai e kautaha loto poha, koe whakaamu ke whiau e whie ma o me tua pule anga ki he to onga ma o lunga o e malo, ma amotaha o e koloa mea tokoni, pea ke wawe mo toi leleia ngia I ngāwe ki hono o tātou ki to apule anga. Ke he o kuwhingai ake whoki e kautahani, mo e kaungowe toko lahi I Tongatapu ni tau te whito pe eni ki heni ihe kaungowe I e lia o ko tuu pe ai e kautahani I kolonga. Pea kua kakato e konferenis whakamamana lahi ai kautaha ai ngai pule anga whakatataha ki hono toka ngai kina, o e whiririwa ke e anga pe iloa ki he toko lahi ko kop toru noa. Hiria ngeia ai lava kakato e wike whakataha anga e ua ai kautaki me ngai whanua me mi pao kau ki ai ato ngani. Ko e kakato ene whakataha anga ka o kuha mai mi ai tai whie maalie mo loto mamahi I hen iho e kautaki ngai whanua ai Pasifiki. Kau hika holo mui koe ni a au si telelia me he ne vei pā whakataha mo toake ke tatake kop toru taha I he ta o whaona. Kau hika vei ngani ne lahi e ngahi whanua ne poupou a Australia o nau poupou e niki au si telelia tau te whito e niki he Pasifiki o kauke a tongani ka ko holo mui ia o poupou ke tataki e toake senolita to I vai mo e whakaiki.
Ko hili e ne whakahae palemia Australia Anthony Albanese ai poupou a Australia ki toake. Lorotonga ia e kei whiau auhi a toake mo Australia pe kohai ai whanua e tataki pe whakahoko ki ai konferenisi lahi hono tolungu furumataha o whikau aki me whililiwaki o ea pe kop tolu taha. O mahina ko tai whie maali e mo loto mamahi ko ene ni ihe kautake ngai whanua e Pasifiki, ka uhine aswai whie mahino ake me tuku pā ngai whanua e Pasifiki, i he whakatahalahi ngai whanua e Pasifiki i Solomone o tauni, o kau ke ai a Australia. He tu whakataha ngai whanua e Pasifiki o teke mo pōpō ki Australia, ke nau tataki ai kop tolu taha i he tau fo o. Koe makatunga te ke mālohi ngai whanua e Pasifiki ke whakahoko i Australia ai kop tolu taha, ka uhi ke sia tonu ai ngai whanua lalahi mo tu maari e ange, i haa mo we sia o au me ngai whanua e Pasifiki, i ngai ngāwe o whatupunga me ngai whanua lalahi i mamani. Kai kia kumahina koe pōpā Australia ki toa ke whai kia Conference lahi hono tolu taha, ka koe lakanga Palestini mo hono tata ke whakataanga, e kei i he mawhai peia o Australia.
O nea ngongo whakaloto whanua ia me le dio kai uma ai television e tonga ki hoani. Ko e wakaelewa e ni ki he whamuimuitaha he to o ngā koia oi ea. I hono tuku atu me waa wakaimatangi a tonga i whamotu whakahoko atu e ino ke lelenga.
Malo lau maare hau eki pa morere a tonga toa talitari rei peki mo tolu ke tau whamatala ia i he whiawhini. Whakatoka ngai koe tūkunga te tau iai. Kei hoko pe ai au whia pe whoki e uhatu moto pa mo hako ke he kotoa pe oi otu tonga. Wakai koe ke he imisi satellite oi au ni, ha mahino at pe i toka e alo tā maki i o tau ngahi wahe whanua. Ne omi ai au whia pe whoki e uhatu moto ke ngai vai whanua kotoa e otu tonga. Ka mo wakari mai ki he ngahi e ria koe ni oku toi ha mama toi ai au. Koe ngahi whetu ueni oku hoko ai ai uhalahi. Taimta tau oku kei fo'u mo ngā unu mai pe ai alo tāma ki pa me whakahihifo ki ho tau ngahi vai whanua. Iene pe oku makatou ngā hono kei tuku atu ai tau ngahi whakatoka ngā. Ngahi whatoang ke vai whanua. Kei tuku atu pe whatoka ngā uhalahi. Pe hoki tāwhia pa mo hako ki kotoa pe oi otu tonga. Koe ngahi potu tahi o kei tuku atu pe ai whakatoka ngā haviri mālohi whakatupu mau. Po tahi ko ia o Tongatapu eua pe whoki teriki tonga pe mo teriki toki lau. Wei pe mo whakatoka ngā pea wā ke mālohi whakatupu mau. Po tahi ko ia o teriki tonga pe mo teriki toki lau. Whakatoka ngā hako ke po tahi ko e ongo niua wa wau haa pai. Pe whoki ki he whare i ke ngahi wakai ki he ngahi po tahi kotoa pe oi otu tonga. Ka koe wakai koe ke aho ni maka hoko mai pa mi he Pasifiki. Alo tā maki tau o tonga wheao mo ia. Ngā unu atu ia pong ke mawahe atu o mamao atu i he pule lulu pa pe whoki ki he pule lulu pa wikeni. Ne onga tini kei omi peha uhatu mo tō ke tau ngāi wheitu ka whakaau ke alo maari e atu ia ki he whakawasinga ko ia o wike. Ngā unu mai alo maari e pa mi he whakatonga hifo. Ne omi hahaviri o wangi moko pa mi he tonga. Pa pe whoki ki he alo maari e ki o tō ngāi whakawasinga ia o wikeni. Ka koe whamatala ea koe pa mi he pōni. O au ki he pong ko ia a pongi. Lahi au whia pe langi ki kotoa pe oi otu tonga. Pe whoki ka uha tu mo tō ke ngahi wahi whanua hono kotoa pe. Ei mo whanga maari e ke lolo lahi i ha ngahi taimi ngahi e ria koe nu hālanu e nge ngā tu lan mata. Ta pe whoki i ha mana. Whatonga an koe haviri o māmalo he haviri ki he potahi koe e whakatonga. Tongatapu pa mo eua pe whoki ki tariki tonga pa mo tariki toki lau. Mere tahi e tolu noa ke tolu nima ki he hoa. Mere tahi e wan nima ki wawau pa mo hapai pa mere tahi ta nima ki he wanoa ki hongo niwa. Koe tukunga koe tahi o ku hou ki hou au pito tahi. Koe moko tahi fua maa whanake po ni tikiriso sase ua tolu ki Tongatapu pa mo eua. Pe a oi pe ki tikiriso sase e wan nima ki he hongo niwa. Ka koe whamtala ea koe ki a pongpongi, na tula tatau pe tukunga koe ki a pongpongi, lahi au whia pe langi ki he kotoa pe oi ngahi wahi whanua, pe whoki ki ha uha tu mo tō ki he kotoa pe oi otu tonga. Malawa ke lolo lahi a ngahi taimi, pe ai me whanga maari e ke mana. Koe maa whanaka taha koe ea ki a pongpongi, e au ke maalunga koe tikiriso sase ua fitu ki Tongatapu pe mo eua, pe a tikiriso sase ua hiwa ki he hongo niwa. Ka koe taimi koe ia oi tahi, tau maari e tahi o skota pa me hong fulu he pōni, pe a mātoka ia tau wanoa koe ke nima pongpongi ia a pongi. Ka koe laa pa moe mahina, hopo e laa te hong fulu ke he ono pongpongi a pongpongi, pe a tō e mahina, o swa waru pe me he hong fulu i he pōni ia. Whao sea ke aho nima koe ka hoko mai ki Nuku'alofa, whakau ke alo maari e ki he pule lulu koe ia o wikeni, malawa ke ha uhatu mo tō ki he tō pe lulu, ka lahi alo maari e ke whakao singa koe o wikeni ki Nuku'alofa. Fua mawhana aho ni maka hoko mai, au ke maalunga o tikiriso sase ua fitu ki he tolu noa. Ka koe taungatanga pe ke hao ni, maaloho mo mea mai, ka mo mea.
Ko e tuunga ia oe ia, ka tau toe wakai ngi pehe ki ngahi ulu i o ngongo. A ahi whapule anga a ena a whiwhio ki siaina i he wikendi me amanaki ke whewholofola i ne a whio moi Palestini o siaina. Tu whaki atu he whiawhine pensini ki ngai pau samu wha amu ai mo kautahalolo ke toe whainga mali e ange whima o pensini ai kakai o e whonua. Pea toi waweange ngā ue e ngai kōpū whikau aki ki hana toka ngai kina e tāmu i whakamamahi i hana whababau i e malu ai ni ihi mamahi hili hana whotu ui laini telefoni tai to toni e whamau anga ki ha kore toko ni whawawe wawe. Pea moe ka kato i pea e ngā hio ngongo mo le tio kai o maa ai television e tonga ki houani mo whaka amu nea o taki kotoa atu pea ki hana to whai kotoa. Kai malo e tau kei whi au mai, ka mō mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga News for tonight. Making headlines, Their Majesties are currently in China on a state visit at the invitation of President Xi. Fuel supply finally offloaded after delay caused by bad weather, and new magistrates court toll-free number aims to make services available for victims at any time. We'll have these and more stories coming up later on in this bulletin, as well as the latest in sports and the weather update to wrap up this hour's news package. Now for the news in detail, I'm Popua Aho. Their Majesties King Dupo VI and Queen Nanasipa'u have arrived in China for a one-week state visit following an invitation from the President Xi Jinping. They arrived last week, beginning their state visit at Fujian province before heading to Beijing this week.
China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs says the purpose of this state visit is to allow King Dupo VI and the President of China Xi Jinping to discuss bilateral and international cooperation between the two nations. This will also include their discussions on development projects shared between the two countries. A statement from the Chinese embassy in Tonga, Their Majesty were officially welcomed by the Fujian provincial authorities at the end of last week. A special feature of the king's official visit to this region was his viewing of the tree named the Tree of Friendship, which symbolizes the strong relationship and cooperation between Tonga and China. During this time, Their Majesty also visited the Clean Energy and Renewable Energy Center in Nanji. Afterwards, they visited one of China's major national projects related to renewable energy and toured one of the facilities that produces renewable energy technology. This visit were joined by the caretaker Minister of Health, Dr. Nuku'alofa. Their Majesties will travel to Beijing, the capital of China, tomorrow, where the dates for the official meeting between the King Dupo VI and China's President Xi Jinping will be confirmed.
The two fuel companies in Tonga have been working since this morning to pump ashore the fuel cargo brought in by the Antheus tanker. This operation follows the vessel finally being able to dock for unloading after its arrival in Tonga on Friday last week and was unable to offload the cargo due to weather conditions last week.
Director of Consumer Affairs of the Ministry of Trade and Economic Development, Sandra D. Fifita, says distribution of service stations by both suppliers is expected to begin this evening. According to information they received from the both suppliers, approximately over 1 million litres of petrol were delivered by this Antheus tanker. Fifita says this is a large delivery and they believe it will meet the needs of the people across Tonga. Antheus tanker is a fuel vessel for Total Energy, but this delivery also contains fuel cargo for Pacific Energy. They are both currently working to distribute the petrol to their own stations before distributing it to the guest stations across Tonga this evening. A fuel cargo will also be distributed to Vava'u and the outer islands through a transportation vessel, as the vessel for the Pacific Energy usually used is currently in Fiji due to technical problems. Meanwhile, Fifita says in the latest update from both suppliers, there's another cargo vessel coming this week to Tonga from New Zealand, and it's delivering petrol for Pacific Energy. As of today's update, the next fuel shipment for Pacific Energy will arrive in Tonga on the 5th of next month, while the total energy's shipment will arrive on the 8th.
The Ministry of Justice have launched the new Magistrates Court toll-free number, an initiative aimed at making services available at any time for victims in need through family protection services such as the National Centre for Women and Children, Women and Children's Crisis Centre and other services.
The Ministry of Justice continues to ensure the accessibility and protection of justice services for all communities in Tonga. This follows the launch of the new Magistrates Court toll-free number available 24/7 to family protection services all across Tonga. This initiative is under a project called Enhancing the Court's Implementation of the Family Protection Act 2013, which is part of a wider project to strengthen the court's responsibility and ensure protection for all. A program was held on Friday to mark the launch and the handover of equipment such as mobile phones, laptops, portable printers and scanners, which will be given to court clerks and magistrates. This will make services available at any time, even after working hours, making it easier for victims to obtain timely protection orders from the court through contacting the Family Protection Services such as the Women and Children Crisis Centre, the Tonga National Centre for Women and Children, and other services. During the program, the Lord Chief Justice Malcolm Bishop KC emphasized their commitment to assisting those in need of help.
So it is with very considerable humility that I pay tribute to all those who are paying their part in helping this Christian community to follow the precepts of our faith and to ensure that everybody is under the protection of the flag of Tonga. I wish you all well. Any difficulties, any problems, any glitches in the system that we as judges can assist with, you only need to get in touch. And I promise that we will give it our full, our complete and undivided attention.
Meanwhile, the director of the Family Protection Legal Aid Centre, Eunice Paula, noted that there are many challenges domestic violence victims face that prevent them from seeking assistance. She said this initiative will help tackle these challenges and provide an easier, more convenient way for the victims to seek help or protection court orders.
As we know, here in Tonga and also the Pacific, domestic violence remains one of the most urgent social and human rights challenges. Some in our outer islands may not have money to make repeated phone calls. Some may be living in fear, where travel is expensive from the outer islands to Tongatapu. Some may fear being monitored by their perpetrator. They may be feeling unsafe even to walk down to the courthouse to ask for assistance. And other survivors of domestic violence are just unsure of how the legal process works or how they can get protection. These challenges, Your Honor, are happening every day in our community. The new toll-free line provided by the courts will provide free, private, and immediate access from the magistrate courts. And for many survivors, this could be a turning point where they find the courage and the support needed to step forward and seek safety, because the life they're living in is a life of fear, a life of uncertainty.
Paula also expressed that it is everyone's right to expect protection from the government and this initiative is a safeguard for life and for the vulnerable, ensuring fair access to justice and the prevention of abuse within the communities. The Deputy Police Commissioner also expressed his gratitude for all the partnerships that make it less difficult and more convenient to protect and serve the people of Tonga. This is one of the many programs to mark Law Week 2025, which began on Saturday last week. From Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Betty Blake, Ilolahia.
The export company Lotopoha Export Trading recently celebrated the successful completion of its facility upgrade projects supported by the Pacific Horticultural and Agricultural Market Access Plus program, or Farmer Plus. The project, which was completed last week, focused on improving the company's processing facility for preparing agricultural products for export. This upgrade involved the construction of a new processing facility in Golonga to support the operations of Lotopoha Export Trading. The partnership between the company and Farmer Plus aims to further improve the quality of agricultural exports from Tonga, especially to Australia and New Zealand. The completed work will make the handling and preparation of export goods, particularly root crops, faster and cleaner. With these improvements to the processing facility or pack house, it is expected that the standard of exported agricultural products from Tonga will improve, helping strengthen the reliability and reputation of Tongan exports and supporting continued progress in the export sector. This new facility built for Lotopoha has been designed to meet overseas demand for high standards of safety and cleanliness in food products and will also make export operations faster and more efficient. The company also works closely with many farmers in Tongatapu, especially around the area where the new facility is located, Golonga, and this development will benefit not only the company but also the families they work with. And Pacific Island leaders have expressed their frustration with Australia's decision to support Turkey as the host for the 31st Conference of the Parties, or COP31, on climate change set for the coming year. The announcement was made after Australia confirmed its backing for Turkey to lead the COP31 conference, a decision that has caused disappointment among Pacific Island nations.
The leaders of the Pacific, who have long been advocates for stronger climate action and have been vocal about the vulnerabilities of small island nations, had hoped Australia will take more supportive role in ensuring that the Pacific region will be more permanently involved in this critical climate conference. Australia Prime Minister Anthony Albanese reaffirmed Australia's stance in supporting Turkey's leadership for COP31, which has led to concern and frustrations among Pacific leaders who were hoping for stronger recognition of their own climate challenges and priorities at the high-level event. The decision came after a series of consultations between Australia and Pacific Islands countries, including a major meeting or the Pacific Islands Forum meeting in Solomon Islands this year. While the Pacific nation had hoped Australia would show stronger support for their region in hosting the conference, Australia's support for Turkey has led to confusion and disappointment about the direction of COP31 and the potential lack of focus on Pacific issues. Leaders are now questioning the focus of the COP31 question, as they feel that the specific needs and voices may not be given enough in the upcoming discussions under Turkey's leadership.
That was the latest from the local scene. Taking a look at the latest weather update from the Fomoto Weather Forecasting Centre, presented by Inoke Lelenga.
Good evening, welcome again to evening forecast from Tonga. Our main headline for tonight: cloudy condition, occasional rain, and also windy are expected for our Tonga land and also coastal waters. From our satellite imagery, we can see the low pressure spinning toward the southwest of the group, with its associated trough lies over Tonga, bringing us cloudy condition and also occasional rain. Not only that, but we're seeing developing convection continue to move in or approach from the west. Therefore, in that case, here are warnings that remains effective for our land and also coastal waters. For our land areas, we have heavy rain warning and flash flood advisory. Also, strong wind warning remains in force for all of Tonga land areas. For our coastal waters, we have quite a few of warnings for our coastal waters. We have gale warning for Tongatapu, Eua, Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau coastal waters. Heavy damaging swell for Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau coastal waters. Strong wind warning for the newest Vavau and also Ha'apai, and also small craft advisory for all of Tonga coastal waters. Please take note of these warnings for our coastal waters. But for the next 5 days from the Pacific, here is the low pressure that currently affecting us. We'll start move to the southeast, still generating some occasional rain for tomorrow, but start clearing off toward Wednesday and also Thursday this week. A high pressure will move in from the southwest, stabilizing the environment, bringing us some fine weather condition with cool southerly winds toward the end of this week. Forecast from tonight until tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy and overcast for all of Tonga, with occasional showers, possibly heavy at times thunderstorms over these areas, yellows and also green areas. Please take note of the winds quite strong over to the southern waters, Tongatapu, Eua and also Te Riki Tonga and Te Riki Tokelau, 30 to 35 knots at times. 25 knots to Ha'apai and also Vava'u, and 15 to 20 knots to the areas of the New West. Minimum temperature for tonight will be 23 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Eua and 25 for the New West. Please take note of the sea condition, rough to very rough. But our forecast for tomorrow, quite similar. Mostly cloudy and overcast for all of Tonga with occasional rain, possibly heavy at times, with thunderstorms over the areas of Tongatapu, Eua, Ha'apai, Vava'u and also Niua for all. Maximum temperature for tomorrow will be 27 degrees Celsius for Tongatapu and Eua and 29 degrees Celsius for the New West. Tide prediction for tonight, high tide will be 10:15 and low tide will be at 20 minutes to 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Sun and moon sunrise will be at 10 minutes to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and moonset will be at 28 minutes past 10 p.m. tonight. Wrapping up with the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, becoming fine by Wednesday. Thursday we're expecting some occasional showers, but easing toward Friday, mainly fine the end of this week, Saturday and also Sunday. Maximum temperature for the next 5 days will be around 30 degrees Celsius. And that would be all for tonight. Good evening.
Thank you to Enoch and the team at the Tonga Met Service for that latest weather update, wrapping up this hour's news package. But before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Their Majesties King Dubo VI and Queen Anasba'u are in China on a state visit at the invitation of President Xi. Fuel supply finally offloaded after a delay caused by bad weather, and new Magistrates Court toll-free number aims to make services available for victims at any time. That was the latest news with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. Thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.